Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the IRWIN T5212ED Professional Quick Release Woodworking Vise. This tool is built with 2 steel guide rods, reducing wear and ensuring smooth parallel action. Need even clamping? The jaws toe in to apply pressure evenly across the whole depth of your workpiece. With an adjustable dog and location holes, you can easily fit your own wooden cheeks to protect your projects. Just squeeze the trigger. This quick-release vise opens and closes without the hassle of a main screw, allowing you to switch between large and small workpieces in no time. Constructed from high-strength cast iron, the IRWIN Professional Quick-Release Woodworking Vise is durable and stable, perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. Experience precision, efficiency, and longevity with this exceptional woodworking tool.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.